Hello there everyone, and welcome to our November 2023 Marvelous Monthly Release. First up, we have our Build a Garden. This is the cheerful Coreopses, and these are beautiful. You can see just how large those daisy-like flowers are. On the stamp set, they are huge. These flowers are not going to get lost on any project you choose to use them on. Within the packaging, we do have the layering guide for the stamp that works in conjunction with this simple colouring stencil that you can see here. Within this simple colouring stencil set, you get 4 different stencils. Each of them are 6x6 and they will colour in different portions of the stamped image. As well as that, you're also going to get a mini blending tool. You can see just how soft that is, and these work beautifully with the stencils and ink. As well as that, you can also get the die set. This is an add-on, so you can add this on to the bundle, so you can cut out the flowers and also the sentiments from the set too. Next up, we have our crafter flower. This is very pretty. This is the flowering dogwood. You can see that we have 3 different flowers here, as well as some leaves. You're going to get the cut line as well as the kind of embossed line to add details to the images. As always, we have the layering guide right on the back of the packaging. If you're new to layering dies, this may be one for you, as they only have 2 layers for the petals and then 2 for the flower center too. Next up, we have our Spark Joy. This is the Spark Joy Black Hellebore. This is so pretty. So we have 2 really large blooms, as well as a number of leaves that encases them and kind of cuddles the little florals that we have there. As well as the hot foil plate, we also have the simple colouring set that you're going to get with it. And that includes 3 6x6 stencils, which is going to colour in the image. Within the packaging, you can see that we do have the layering guide, so that's going to show you just how to colour in those beautiful flowers from the hot foil plate. As well as that, we also have the die set available, so this is going to cut around the whole image from the hot foil plate. So if you are not a fan of fussy cutting, that might be for you. Next up, we have the Dynamic Duo. This is Dynamic Duo Paradise Flowers. So in here we get a 3x4 stamp set, which includes a flower, 2 leaves and some sentiments. And you're also going to get a colouring stencil set. This has 2, and it's going to create a whole background with those beautiful flowers and different leaves on. Really quick and easy to kind of line those up, and then you're going to add in the details with the stamp set. As well as that, we also have an add-on die available that's going to cut out the flower, the leaves, and also the paradise sentiment on there. Next up, we have our Mini Delight. So this one is the Mini Delight Tea Rose Blossom. In here, we have a 3-layered blossom rose, as well as some sentiments on the stamp set. So we have that on the 3x4 stamp set, but then we also have the die set, which coordinates, and this will come with it. It's going to cut out the flower and then cut out some leaves and have some additional details on there too. As well as that, we are also releasing a fabulous A3 foldable cutting and alignment mat. So this is smaller than our original cutting mat, and it also folds in half, so you can kind of take this with you wherever you want to go. This is fabulous. So the fold line on this is wavy, so when you kind of put that together, it kind of melts in and it looks like one whole mat. It's fabulous. I cannot see the lines where they kind of connect. It is really great. Also on the back, we have this non-slip kind of texture that is really going to help this cut mat stick to your desk and not move around when you are working on it. Fabulous for smaller spaces and fabulous for when traveling as well. So here is just a sneak peek at some of the beautiful projects that our designers and guest designers have created. We really do hope that you spotted something in here that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again really soon. Bye bye.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenews YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.